The 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front, center, power brakes, power windows, fog lights, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.